Hello all you beautiful Minecrafters, this is Haxio, and today I'm going to be bringing you a tutorial on how to make a Bukkit server from scratch on Minecraft 1.5.2. Usually what you do to make a server is you go from vanilla and then you upgrade it to Bukkit, but fortunately I have found a way to go straight to Bukkit. Now no, these lines of code aren't mine, so don't, all you internet trolls, don't come to me and be like, oh, that's not your code. Fucking course it's not. It's 17. I don't know how to code. I just downloaded this, and the link to it will be in the description. Okay. Now the way you do this is pretty unorthodox, because typically you go line by line by line by line. But I've actually found it to be a lot easier if you just copy it all and paste it all. I just find that to be a lot easier. Because there's that, this craftbucket.jar is in 1.4.7 when you first initially get it. So what you have to do, don't open iTunes, 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 don't open iTunes. So what you're going to have to do is go to bukkit.org, dl.bukkit.org, and download the most recent jar, the recommended jar. Fortunately, it's going to take a minute to do. Alright. I'm just going to give that a minute to load here. Okay. It's such a big file. I understand why it's taking a while. But while we're waiting, we're still waiting. We'll know it'll be set because a file named start.command will come into here, into this folder. So let's just go ahead and there you go. 2, 3. Okay, I'll just give it a little bit time to load. I'm just going to periodically check and see if it's in there. Are we almost done loading? Alrighty. So I personally like this method more. This is how I made my personal server, which is, it ran away from me. Where'd it go? There we go, Bukkit server. This is mine. But it's not. It hasn't gone public because I don't have internet. I mean, haven't port forwarded it. Okay, so from the look of it, there's start.command. There we go. That's how you know the server's ready. But what you have to do is you have to put the 1.5.2 in. And a lot of people think that updating the craft bucket is hard. All you have to do is download, because when the recommended build comes out, you just go to dl.bukkit.org and click that and it'll immediately download it. And this is the Bukkit jar that you want. So what you got to do is you got to get info and you got to get out all of this extra numbers fun stuff. Oh crap. Okay, name it craftbucket.jar. Replace it with the older one, so your server will be 1.5.2. Launch start.command, and it force renders everything. See, here you go. Forces everything. Alright, now currently I am logged onto a Hamachi network. So I'm not going to teach you how to port forward because I have no idea how to do it. Here we go, preparing a spawn. Okay, so yeah, I'm currently logged into a Hamachi network, as you can see right here. So here, let me just, alright, so this is Bukkit. So in the console, you just press question mark, and it's basically all the same, all the commands. I'll show you how it works. As of now, there are no plugins, so to do that, to install plugins, all you do is you just drop the plugin file, jar file as downloaded into here, into the plugins folder, and then you do /reload and it force reloads it. And within here, let me just give you an example. All right, so since I do have a server running, this should be it. This is a Hamachi IP. This isn't mine, so don't try it. I mean, if you do, you're not going to get anywhere because my network is filled. Okay. What a bizarre place to spawn. I'm in a hole, literally. All right. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna do /kill because, oh no, that's the one we used to load it. So we're gonna do kill just to show how the terminal works. In the terminal, since usually in a command line it starts with a slash, which is why everything starts with a slash, because when you're coding anything, a slash is a command. But since all terminal is commands, you don't have to do any slashes. So instead of, I can just do kill. Oh, okay, never mind. What's a command that would alter the in-game? Here we go. There you go. See? And to op, simply, it's actually very simple. You can do all these commands in-game too. You can do op. Whoopsie. Oh yeah, that's better sprinting. All of you get better sprinting. It's such an easy mod. Okay, actually I don't need to do that. I can just hit T. Do op. And then in-game you get opt, and then get all of these commands. Now, this is for 1.5.2 Mac. PCs have a whole different spectrum of how to install the mod. I don't know how to do it on a PC. Honestly, I wish I did know how to do it on a PC, because I would give you all a tutorial of how to do it like now. But I have a Mac. Actually, I do know how to do it on PC. So on PC, what you're going to do is I'll actually show you how to do it. Because on Mac and PC it's the same. Okay. Bukkit. Delete that because that's not my server. Alright. So to get a Minecraft server on PC, this is going to be weird because I'm on a Mac, but this is how you do it. Profile. Crap. It's not what where do I get it? There we go. Minecraft server. Okay. For PCs, you would download the server.exe. This all just does the same thing. Let me just get rid of that because I've tried this one too many times. Now you gotta launch it. Actually, I need to get this .jar out because you need this. Oh crap, should have put a folder out there. Crap. Just take this jar file out. Crap, I'm gonna have to get rid of all those. Alright, now this is what it looks like if you're port forwarding a server. Alright, so now that you're done, just make a new folder, name it server. Okay, now take all of this funny junk. Oh, no, don't want to take that video. Ban players. Put all that in a server. Server log. Big mistake. Big mistake. Shouldn't have done that. Okay, is this everything? That looks like everything. Now take what you're going to do is you're going to put the crapbucket.jar in here. You're going to actually, you're going to put that in there. I'll be right back. Here we go. Okay, you're going to put this. All of that, this will be uploaded to word for word. You're going to get a new file. I would just suggest word edit and word edit, text edit, or notepad. I think PCs have. You're going to copy it on here. All right. Copy, paste, and you're going to save it as run.bat. Now, usually what they do is it'll save it as run.bat.doc or something. You have to go in under file format. This is for PC, and somewhere along it'll be a .bat file. And if you do that, just put it as run. Now keep .bat. Keep .bat. And then file format has to be .bat. All right, and then you just save it. Okay, and it'll come up with a file that looks similar to a terminal icon. Just drop it in there. Okay, once the run.bat is in there, you'll know because the icon will change and it'll be a black square if you did it properly. And if the run.bat doesn't work, try taking off the .bat portion. All right, and then once you have run.bat in there, just delete this. All right. So in the very end, if you've done it right, for a PC, your server file should look like this. Unfortunately, Macs aren't compatible with run.bat files. .bat files. So it should look like this. And again, right here, the icon for the file for run.bat should be it should be like a black square, and when you click it, it should open a terminal icon like that. All right. This has been how to install Bukkit on a Minecraft server for Mac and for PC. Both of the links of code to make the servers will be in the description. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials that will be coming soon in the near future. Have a great, fantastic day.